Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change subtitle language on YouTube app. To do this, you just need to go and open the YouTube app, and after that, go open the video that you want to change the subtitle of. And of course, you need to be or you need to activate the subtitle before, and to activate the subtitle, you just need to click on that CC icon. As you can see now, this CC icon should be activated, so you can see the subtitle. And after that, go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on captions. As you can see, the third option is captions. Click on it and choose the language that you want for your captions. As you can see here, there is a lot of languages, and not always you will find this quantity of languages, but normally, at least in almost all the videos, you can find 2 or 3 languages. For example, I want to change it to Arabic, and as you can see now, the subtitle is changed to Arabic, not English. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see